In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to embed a TikTok feed on your Wix website, and we will consider two methods to achieve this. The first method we'll discuss involves using the Wix App Market, and the second method encompasses utilizing a third-party aggregator. All right, let's get started. Our journey begins in the Wix editor. Look over to your left-hand side and select the option that reads Add Apps. Now the search begins. We're on the lookout for TikTok feed. Once you input that into the search bar, a couple of applications should emerge. Look for options like TikTok feed or TikTok videos and profile embed. Any of these will get the job done. Now, click on your chosen application and then select Add to Site. This action will install the app on your Wix site. The app will then guide you with on-screen instructions. The next steps are to link your TikTok account and tweak the feed's look to suit your personal or brand style. Once completed, you'll have the ability to drag this newly added widget onto your web page and resize it as needed. Now, let's dive into the second method, that is, using a third-party aggregator. For this, we have options like Embed Social, Sociable Kit, or Curator.io. Select your preferred platform, sign up for an account, and you're on your way to creating the TikTok feed that works best for you. This phase involves connecting your TikTok account to the aggregator and making sure the design aligns with your aesthetic preferences. Once you've successfully completed your feed, look for an option to copy the unique embed code that is generated for you. Take this code back to your Wix editor. Now, this part might sound familiar. Just as we did in the first method, click the plus or add button, but this time select Embed Code. You will then see an option to Embed HTML. Click on it and add the element to your page. Now, it's time to integrate the copied code from the third-party aggregator. Paste the code into the newly added element and follow that up by clicking Update. An important aspect to bear in mind is the layout of your site. So make sure to resize the element to ensure it fits just right on your chosen space of the web page. Now you see, with the right guidance, embedding a TikTok feed on your Wix website isn't a complex task. Both methods discussed provide practical options for you to choose from based on your preferences and business needs. Remember, having a TikTok feed on your website can significantly enhance the engagement and the overall visual appeal of your site. It's an exciting journey, and I'm glad I could guide you through it.